Hello. Last month I participated in a quilling contest hosted by the online craft store, Craftgully, and I won the second prize. Please spare your 2 minutes to watch the quilling miniatures I made based on the various prompts given by them. The first prompt was fire, and this is my miniature heart showing the flames coming out of it. Here I used beehive technique. Second prompt was water, and here is a cute little beach scenery. All these elements like coconut trees, sand and waves are made using quilling comb. Third prompt was snow, and this is a tiny snowy Christmas tree which can be used as a fridge magnet as well. Fourth prompt was forest. I wanted to show the deep forest with minimum elements, and I made this little forest scenery where there is a lot of greenery, and a waterfall along with a beautiful wooden bridge. Fifth prompt was earth. I thought of making something different and came up with an idea of mini 3D globe, which actually rotates around like a real one. Sixth prompt was space. Like previous miniature creations, I made a cute little rocket for this prompt. The last prompt was wind, and here is a very cute little 3D windmill. The sails or blades of this windmill rotate around if you gently blow from the side. Due to very abstract concepts given as prompts, I thought differently while making these objects, and I really enjoyed making these miniature creations. Tell me in the comments which creation you liked the most. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.